Hi guys, my name is Andy, and today we're going to work on the last 10 questions of the math test no calculator section on the first practice SAT test on the College Board website. Alright, let's begin. What was the price per pound of beef when it was equal to the price per pound of chicken? Alright, so we want to make these two equations equal. So it would be 2.35 plus 0.25x equals to 1.75 plus 0.4x. We don't want that. 4x, oh boy, which is 0.6. We want this guy to go over here and this guy to go over here. 0.6 equals 0.15x, so x equals 4. And we shove x equals 4 into this equation, and we get 2.35 plus 1, which is 3.35. The answer is D. Alright, next question. Passes through the origin, so it passes through 0, 0, and it has a slope of 1 over 7. So it's y equals 1 over 7x. The only point that matches this requirement is D, because 14 times 1 over 7 equals 2. Alright, next one. If x is greater than 3, which of the following is equivalent to 1 over 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3? Okay, for this one, multiply x plus 3 to both sides, both the numerator and the denominator for this guy, and multiply x plus 2 for both the numerator and the denominator for this guy. We do this because even if we multiply, because we want the common denominator, and even if we multiply a number, like if we do the same for both the numerator and the denominator, then there isn't really a difference. So it would be x plus 3 over x plus 3, x plus 2 plus x plus 2 times, divided by x plus 3 times x plus 2, which is 1 over x plus 3 plus x plus 2 over x plus 3 times x plus 2, which is 1 over 2x plus 5 divided by x squared plus 5x plus 6, which is 2x, which is x squared plus 5x over plus 6 over 2x plus 5. So the answer is B. Alright, the next one, y equals 3x minus 12. So just shove in that number for right here, and we get 8 over x. 8 over x times 2 to the negative 12. So we can cross both of those out, and the answer is 2 over 12. 2 to the power of 12. And for this one, so we know that a times b equals 15, and 7a plus 2b equals c, and a plus b equals 8. Alright, for this one, we could do like complicated math, but we don't really have to. We only have 25 minutes for the whole section. So I just know that 5 times 3 equals 15, and 5 plus 3 is 8. This is like basic math. So just shove in 5 and 3 into this equation, and we would get 31. And if we shove in 3 and 5, we get 41. And if you shove in 3 and 5, we get 31. So the answer is D, 31 and 41. Alright, next question. If t is less than 0 and t squared minus 4 equals 0, what is the value of t? Come on. You do t squared equals 4, t equals 2 or negative 2, but it has to be greater than 0. So t equals 2. Alright, for this one, AB equals 1800, EB equals 1400, BD equals 700, and the CD equals 800. So by looking at EB and BD, we know that the triangle on the left side is 2 times bigger. So this guy would be 900, and 800 times 2 is 1600. So the answer is 1600. Alright, the next one, x plus y equals negative 9, x plus 2y equals negative 25. Just subtract it like that, and we get negative y equals 16. So y equals negative 16. And now you just shove in negative 16 here, and you get x equals 7. The next one, okay, for this one, CollegeBoard is never going to ask you to calculate the sine or the cosine of any number, like if it's like that. So we just know that the answer is going to be 4 over 5. But we also know that sine x equals cosine 90 minus x. So that's why the answer is 4 over 5. And for this one, a equals 5 root 2 and 2a equals root 2x. So 10 root 2 is root 2x. So that is root 100 times root 2 equals root 2x. Root 200 equals root 2x. So x would be 100. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. On my next video, I'll be working on the first 10 questions for the math test with calculator section. Alright, thank you, and please like and subscribe.